severe thunderstorm was located near Pilot Point, or 14 miles south of Whitesboro, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sherman, Whitesboro.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Denton County, southeastern Cooke County, and southwestern Grayson County until 6:15. A severe thunderstorm is located near Pilot Point, or about 14 miles south of Whitesboro, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. This storm contains 60-mile-per-hour winds and quarter-sized hail. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for northeastern Denton County, southeastern Cooke, and southwestern Grayson counties until 6:15. A severe thunderstorm is located near Pilot Point in northeastern Denton County, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.